have here and concealer here. If you don't like spicy stuff, this isn't for you. Hi guys, welcome to this video. So I have filmed probably at least 2 drugstore makeup hauls and I have not edited and uploaded them, but I'm gonna edit and upload this one before I do those other 2 because I'm way too excited about everything that I got. I shopped at ULTA and I also shopped at CVS. What is new at the drugstore? Can I just like namely start with what's on my lips? Do you see how glossy they are? So glossy. Have you guys tried the Maybelline Lifter Plump? Okay, literally, can I just show you? This product literally has like a jalapeno or a chili pepper underneath it. We love Maybelline products over here. Ooh, my lips are on fire, but to be honest with you, I love like spicy stuff. Yes. Yes, my lips are on fire. I will say it's not giving like more of a plump than any other like plumping something that I have, but it is really spicy. And I wonder what the gist is, like why did they go that direction? Like why did they think that we would want something spicy on our lips? Chili pepper, piment chili. My lips are definitely on fire. I can handle it though because I eat spicy food a lot. My lips keeps on burning. I wonder how long it's gonna last. I don't know. This isn't for the girlies that don't like spicy stuff. I don't feel like my lips look much bigger. So that's why I'm wondering why the lasting burning effect. Why? My lips are like, what'd you do to us? So I'm just gonna apply the hot honey by itself. Right now they're very like rosy, because if I just wanted them like a warm honey color, do I even get the color? It looks like I'm wearing lip liner now. You know, that like liner and gloss look? It does look like that. So I do get a little bit of warmth from it, wearing it just by itself. Aquaphor. Aquaphor. All this stuff is new. This is like a super repurchase. You'll know why if you're a makeup girly. There's not very many drugstore mascaras that are better than this one. It's the Maybelline Sky High Mascara. You guys know this works. It's like a tried and true. I always get it in the blackest black. I definitely had to repurchase this because it lengthens, volumizes. It is so good. I got a water bottle. I can't remember what I was gonna put in this, or a spray bottle rather. I got a spray bottle. I can't remember what I was gonna put in this. Was it water for myself? What was I gonna put in this? Because I bought my son a spray bottle because I want to spray his hair with water when I brush it. Was it to spray my makeup sponges? When I forget, like when I'm doing my makeup and I forget to wet my sponge? What was this for? What was this for? I got this from CVS. Let's start with this on top. This is a Revlon dual-ended jelly makeup blender. Okay, what is this all about? This looks super gimmicky. I need blenders. I was just saying in another video that I shot, like the reason I keep buying like the Real Techniques like makeup brushes that come in that one famous like $19.99 pack is because I like this specific brush to like pat my concealer in under my eyes. This kind of reminded me of it, like it had the same shape, and I was like, okay, well, I don't know if I had already bought this pack again because I lost this like a million times and I always buy the 4-pack because I need that brush. Was I thinking that this is gonna like pat in my concealer? Quite possibly. So we'll just see. So it comes with the closure. Oh, there's 2 sides. It's literally like a see-through jelly. It's not totally black. There's that side, and then there's the smaller side here. Pat under my eyes. It doesn't feel too hard, but it's a solid mass. I don't know, maybe they got me. We'll see, Revlon, we'll see. CoverGirl came out with their Clean Invisible line. I did pick this up from a CVS, so I'm gonna be trying this out. It says that it's clean. It's the clean line, clean invisible. So I got Tawny 165. I'm hoping that this is a good shade match. It does come with the foil on it. Buildable coverage, skin-like finish, clean, lightweight formula, blends easily and melts into the skin so it looks and feels like your skin, but better. A really good shade match. So we're gonna be trying that out soon. All right, you know what we can do? Now that we've applied this, I promise you it's on there. See? So now that we've applied this, okay, so definitely the concealer and the foundation are next to each other. Using the Revlon blender to blend foundation I have here and concealer here. Let's see, does it work? You know what? Okay, I do see where it's like blending. On my hand, that's not so bad actually, you guys. Kind of makes like an ombre look. It fades into another color and it's not terrible either. Wow. Obviously I'm using a paper towel to like wipe it, easier than a brush for sure. I also got the CoverGirl True Blend. This is like the enhancer primer base. So I got the Plush Plump one. I think there were so many different primers that I could have gotten, but I just decided to go with this one because I could use some plumpness in my skin. I am an older sister, so I could use some plumpness. We're gonna be trying this. I hope it does like give me that tacky feel. So when I put my foundation on top of it, it actually does what I want it to do and makes that makeup adhere and stick for longer throughout the day. Apply to bare skin, wear alone or under makeup to plump. So you can also wear this if you're just like not a makeup girly. So we're gonna try that under makeup on probably a foundation wear test, which I love doing on this channel. I've done so many foundation wear tests lately. Check them out. I did get the CoverGirl Clean Eye Color in this like really pretty red tone. Just go in the crease a little bit because I like the look of having one color all over my face. I kind of just keep it all in the family when I'm trying to do like an easy put together look. I don't know, I just kind of want to try. Just want to see how easy it is. Now this is cream on top of powder. I do have powder on my face. I'm even dragging it down the lid. See how it looks like I could have taken the same color from like my cheek or my lip and put it on my lid? I like that. That's cute. I like it. This is cute. And I stay far away from products like this, like just because I don't like writing on my eyelid. The sensation is like just uncomfortable, like doink. I don't really like that. I'd rather something soft on my eyelid, like a tried and true. I've been using it for years. You see how the tip of this is like pink, just like I was saying. Like the Wet n Wild brush. I like the way the brush feels because it's just like so nice on the eyelid. So I stay away from like pens on my eyelid. I just don't like the sensation of a pen going against my eyeball. Let's see how it feels. Definitely metallic. I wouldn't shy away from like a metallic lip or eye like for Christmas or something like that. So that's cute. So we are done. We've got an empty bag here. I don't even know what happened to the CVS bag. Trust me, when you have multiple children, your supplies, they start missing, migrating around the house. Thank you guys so much for watching this affordable drugstore makeup haul. I'm excited to try out more of these products. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Have you tried any of these? I love you guys so much and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.